Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to integrate HashiCorp Vault with the IBM Db2 Genius Hub for secure credential management. A prerequisite is to set up the HashiCorp Vault. I've already set up the Vault on my Fire virtual machine, and now I'll show you how to configure Genius Hub to use Vault for encrypting database credentials. Before we begin, let me show you what information we need from our Vault setup. So when you set up the HashiCorp Vault, you receive several important credentials. For this integration, we specifically need the role ID, the secret ID, and the secret path. So just make sure that you have all of these values ready before proceeding. Now let's log in into Genius Hub. I've already logged in. So we will now navigate to the Secrets Manager page. So for that, we click on the gear icon on the left hand side menu, click on Console. This would open the administration page. When we scroll down, we see Secrets Manager at the bottom. So this is the Secrets Manager page where we can create and manage your secrets. So as you can see, we don't have any secrets yet. So let's create a new secret for our HashiCorp Vault. So for that, I'll click on the Create New Secret button. This opens the secret configuration form. So let us go through each of the fields. So first, we have the secret name. You can use any descriptive name that makes sense for your environment. For example, you might use Dev Vault for development or Test Vault for testing. I'll simply add Production Vault. Then we have the secret description. Although this is optional, but I recommend adding a description. I'll just enter HashiCorp Vault for production database credentials. This helps other administrators understand what the secret profile is used for. Now we have the secret provider. We will click on the drop down and select HashiCorp Vault. As we select HashiCorp Vault, we see a few more text fields appear. So then we have the secret path. So this is the full URL to our Vault secret. So let me show you the format. In my case, the Vault is running on the following IP. So this is my path. So make sure you use your Vault server's IP address in this place. So we will go in. Just for context, all of these values are for an example purpose. And then we have the secret. So this is the authentication credential that Genius Hub will use to connect to Vault. And finally, we have the role ID. So the role ID identifies which app role involved we are using. So now that we have entered all of these details, we'll click on Create, and we see that the secret has been successfully added. So okay, now let's go on to the connections in the main menu. Okay, so here we can see our existing database connections. I'm going to create a new connection to demonstrate how you can use the secret profile with the database connection, but you can also edit an existing connection to use Vault. So just click on Add Database Connection. This is the standard connection form. I'll fill in the basic information first. Connection name. Now we'll scroll down, and this is the important part. So we see the following checkbox: use password encryption key store. So this checkbox enables Vault integration for this specific connection. If you haven't added any secrets in the secret manager, this option will be grayed out and you won't be able to see the option to enable it. But since we have added the secret, we can select the option. So as soon as we select, it automatically selects the secret that we added. So production vault, which is the HashiCorp Vault, this is the secret provider. Since we had only one secret in the secrets manager, this specific secret will be selected by default. So yes, so once we select the secret, all the credentials for this connection will be encrypted using the encryption key stored in the HashiCorp Vault and not Genius Hub's internal key. So, and now I'm put in the username and password for our database. Even though I'm entering them here, all of these credentials will be encrypted using the key from the vault and not stored in Genius Hub. And let's test our connection. Okay, so the connection has been successful. The database connection is working. The Genius Hub successfully retrieved the encryption key from Vault, and all of the credentials were encrypted and secured successfully. And we'll click on Save now. Perfect. The connection has been successfully created. We will just refresh this once, and we see that a database connection has been added. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes for this to be monitored. So initially it might show that it's not monitored, but just give it a couple of minutes and then it will turn green just like the other ones.